It's summertime, and that means backyards, barbecues, good times, and good friends. And with all those folks coming over, you're going to need a place to seat them. Don't worry, I got you covered. Hello folks. Well, recently I had a customer who had some family coming in from out of town, and they were going to spend the time in the backyard. Well, with all those extra bodies, they were going to need a place to sit. So I came up with this design. It's the backyard patio bench. Now it comfortably fits up to 7 people, and the construction was pretty straightforward. It was some simple 2x4s, some 1x, and it was butt joints with some screws in it. Now it seems like that's a pretty straightforward build, but nothing goes without its problems. So without further ado, here's the video. And so there you go, that is my backyard patio bench. Now, I know what you're saying. You're like, Chad, that video went so quick, I didn't see any mistakes. And initially when I was editing this, I decided to take that out. But then I realized we're not really learning and getting better unless we learn from our mistakes. So if you would like to know what those problems were and how they were resolved, there's a link in the description below that shares that story with you. Now, if you're still with me, I want to share a few more things with you, and best of all, they're all completely free. The first one is a new video series that I'm doing exclusively for Woodcraft. Now, this video series helps you from the concept of an idea all the way through to the completion of the project. It tells you great ideas for furniture design. It gives you the proper workflow. Best of all, it gives you tips and ideas to make sure that you have a successful and satisfying project. The next is the monthly newsletter. Now, this newsletter has articles and videos in it from people that contribute all over the world. We have folks like Mitch Peacock, Gerald Vance, Rick Frazier, David Shepard, and more. Of course, these articles and videos are targeted exclusively to make sure that you learn history, knowledge, and technique. All the things that you need to improve your woodworking skill. Now, make sure you sign up for the newsletter today because the next one goes out August 20th. And when it goes out, it's gone for good, so don't miss out. Now, let's just say that you want to share and show a project that you're doing. Well, on Facebook, we have the group called What Are You Doing? The members of this group here show off their projects, they ask questions, they get advice. Best of all, it's a great place to go for information to be inspired and to be motivated by. And of course, as always, if you are working on a project at home, you're stuck and have a question, feel free to email me at woodchoppingtime@gmail.com. I will do my best to answer your questions because after all, my whole goal is to make you a better woodworker. As always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on dancing.